I wanted to upload a video update on my repair of the 2005 rock wall project. So 4 months ago, last summer, I posted a video where I had done some repairs to some of the rocks and to the silt trap dams along the Little River run when the river wasn't running. Today is January 25th, and this is the first time this year that the river is running. I've owned this property for 17 years, and the river has always typically ran between the months of September through April, and it constantly runs. But it hadn't ran for a full year, which is very odd. When I purchased this property, the dirt bank came all the way down to the red line, and the little river ran along the yellow line access. So in 2005, I excavated back the bank and wrapped it with this faux rock treatment. After I completed the original project back in 2005, I never performed any maintenance on the vegetation that had grown down from the wall above. And so the wall was completely covered with moss and vegetation, and it was starting to impede the water flow of the river. So we cut all that back to where it is now, and we completed all repairs. And as such, I just wanted you to see the river was finally running. Now, during the repairs, I added height to the original dam as there was room to do so. I then added another dam using a styrofoam-based mixture to create yet another silt trap. My original thought with all these dams was to create more silt traps, but also I wanted to increase sound levels through the falling of water and a visual of the water falling so it would look more attractive. Okay, a little shot of the first table rock, the water flowing off of it, and now the second one that I made. And then you can also even see the water's falling over the 2x8s that I used as a temporal dam. But we're going to make this summer, well, when the water stops running, we're going to make about another 4 more dam waterfalls so that we get better silt trapping and more sound and more sight. Here's where the water actually comes off the hill and onto my property. This is a property line fence, and it comes down, and this area here never got dug out, but is going to, and it just runs basically the 70 feet to the right here, going on down, and you'll see that as we're turning the corner now, kind of slow but sure. But that's the first little silt trap, second, third, fourth, and then you can see the pipe way to the end. That goes underneath the driveway and across and out and down, and it continues for about another 1,000 feet running down my property. So that's basically all I had for you. I just wanted you to see the river running, and when I make the the changes for the new dams, I'm going to reshoot that and put the curb on the right here. There's a cement curb. It kind of makes the driveway defined, and we're going to finish all that. And if you've enjoyed the video and if you like my videos, please like, subscribe, and share, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.